After a 15-kilometre drive from Russell Falls, come up to the top of Mount Field National Park. This is Lake Dobson. Alongside Lake Dobson is the aptly named Pandani track. It's something of our previous adventures, we haven't actually been here, but it makes it just a little bit more special in the snow.
These shoes are so good compared to my starters.
Yeah. There's not too many places that I've experienced such a density of Pandani, but also in amongst these stands here are lots of pencil pines. This would have been protected for millennia from fire. It's a real special little spot.